Have you ever wondered what the best essential oils are to take with you while hiking, backpacking, or even camping? Well, today's video is for you. Let's get into it. Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to my channel and welcome to the beautiful Mount Baker Wilderness here in the Pacific Northwest. I thought Mount Baker would be the perfect backdrop for today's video where I share with you my top 5 essential oils to take with you while hiking, backpacking, or camping. These 5 essential oils will be a great addition to your first aid kit, helping everything from bug bites to bee stings, sunburns, athlete's foot, headaches, tummy aches, body aches after you've slept on the ground for 3 days. Are you ready for it? That bug was. Let's go. Number 1, peppermint. Peppermint is one of those essential oils that can be used for so many things. My favorite ways to use it are for headaches, cramps, digestion if you have an upset stomach, and also cooling off after a hot hike. And another bonus that peppermint offers is if your essential oil is cell permeable, like Ameo clinical grade essential oils are, P.S. they are the only essential oils on the market that are tested to be cell permeable. And you want cell permeability so you can maximize the benefits of your essential oil. What happens with peppermint is when it gets into your cell, it goes directly to the mitochondria of your cell, which is the power plant, the energy producer of your cells. So if you feel a little bit more energized or have a little bit more pep in your step after putting peppermint on or drinking peppermint or smelling peppermint, there is a reason for it. Go mitochondria. Number 2, this essential oil is considered to be the Swiss Army knife of essential oils, and that is lavender. Lavender is such a versatile oil. Just like peppermint, you can use it for so many things. My favorite ways to use lavender while on the trail are for sunburns, bee stings, and chafing, which can definitely happen while you're hiking day after day. So it's a great soothing oil and I cannot recommend it enough. Plus, you can also put it on the bottoms of your feet right before bed and it'll help you sleep soundly while you're sleeping on the ground. Now, my number 3 pick is an oldie but a goodie, and it is tea tree oil. Tea tree essential oil is an incredible antibacterial and antiseptic. It is a great way to fight bacteria and fungus like athlete's foot, which I know can happen after a few days backpacking in the backwoods. Things get a little bit funky. So consider tea tree your anti-funk oil. Yeah. My number 4 pick is an Ameo exclusive, and by the name, I'm sure you're gonna figure out what it's good for, and that is Muscle Mend. Muscle Mend is great for after those long hikes, or if you've slept on the ground and you wake up and your body is stiff as a board and you can't even turn your neck. Putting Muscle Mend on your muscles, your joints, all of that will help relieve those pains and stiffness. Muscle Mend is a must-have on the trail. Now on to my 5th and final pick. This oil is another exclusive Ameo blend, and there is no other comparison. There is no other blend like it, and it actually happens to be one of my top 3 favorite oils of all time, and that is Ameo Embolden. Embolden is a blend of essential oils like spruce needle, copaiba, rosemary, geranium. It is a restorative essential oil blend that is one of my favorites. Now, I'm sure you're asking, okay, Kelsey, I've never heard of Embolden. There's nothing else like this on the market. What am I supposed to do with it? Now, the reason it is on this list, and it is one of the must-haves while you're hiking, backpacking, camping, or even just exploring the woods, it's perfect if you get those bumps, bruises, and scratches, which are bound to happen while you're out in the wilderness. And so it not only helps restore the skin and different scratches, bumps, bruises that you might have, but it also can speed up the recovery and healing process. Plus, Embolden has a beautiful aromatherapy quality to it, which means that when you smell Embolden, you not only smell something incredible, but it has such an invigorating and uplifting scent. So if you take a whiff of it right before summiting a mountain or climbing a big hill or wrangling 10 kids and cousins and in-laws and family members on a camping trip, you can take on the world with Embolden. Honestly, you guys, it will definitely become one of your favorites. Link is down below and you will thank me later. So those are my top 5 picks for essential oils to take with you on your next hiking, backpacking, or camping trip. What do you think? Did I miss any? If I did, drop it in the comments below. What do you take while you're going camping? And I'm actually gonna throw a 6th item to take with you. It is my all-natural, powerful bug repellent spray. It has only 3 oils and it is the most effective bug spray I have ever used. So be sure to check that video out down in the comments or in the card above. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope that you subscribe because I release new videos each week sharing tips and tricks and solutions about natural health and wellness and living a natural lifestyle. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. And if you want to join our Instagram family, head over here. Now, I'm going to leave you with this, as I always do. No matter where you are in life or on your health and wellness journey, please remember, it's a crazy world out there. So pick your battles, always give yourself grace because imperfect is perfect. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I'm here. You're sweaty and gross. Hiking, bagpiping trip. Hiking, backpacking, my top 5
wild blueberries.
I don't want to fall off the cliff. What was I saying?